Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So if you're like me and you have an RV, you're clicking around on Facebook or on YouTube, just looking at general RV stuff. One of the things that will probably pop up is a lock by Proven Industries. And we'll get to that in just a second. But they claim to be one of the toughest locks and one of the best ways to secure your RV from being towed off in the middle of the night with you sleeping in it. So one of the other claims is that this lock right here is very insecure and does not protect your RV or any of your trailers. If you look on Amazon right now, this very lock has over 28,000 reviews on it, and it's a 4.5-star review. So the claim is that this thing is not very secure. Let's test that out. So the ways that they break it off are with the sledge, and this is a small 3-pound sledge, and my grandfather's old SUV hammer. So let's see if we can break it off with this first, and then if not, we'll go to the 3-pound sledge. So let's give this a try. Definitely loosened it. So that was sad. Sorry, I'm not very accurate with my hammer, but that's less than impressive. The fact that a framing hammer literally just broke off a trailer lock. It didn't take very long, and if somebody with a sledgehammer went at it, it would have been off even sooner. It's definitely disconcerting. All right, so let's get to the big boy. All right, let's get into the Proven Industries lock. That's a straight up. This is definitely much beefier. Much heavier gauge steel. Right, so this is ridiculously heavy. And the way it's set up is you put your chains around this, so your safety chains are secured up in here. And in here, it's got your barrel lock with some barrel keys. All right, so let's get this secured onto the trailer. All right, so just reposition the camera. So all you're going to see is me putting this on for the first time and how many times I botch it to get it right. Nah, I actually grabbed it. Huh. Wow. Get that piece of crap out of the way. All right, so obviously I am not going to swing my hammer at this. This is brand new, and I don't want to mar it up. But I can tell you right now, you're not getting into that. That is heavy gauge steel. All right, don't waste your money on one of these cheap Reese trailer locks. It's not worth it. That'll be just $20 down the drain. If you want to waste $20, just throw it in the trash. That's all that is. I do recommend this. It is heavy gauge steel, really easy. I mean, you saw me from start to finish opening the box and putting it on the trailer. Super easy, and it's thick gauge steel, so you're not going to have any problem or any worries about nobody trying to hook your trailer up and drive off in the middle of the night. Thank you. See you next time.